So here's today's project. This is a 2,500 gallon water tank at the very top of the hill, so it's effectively working as a water tower. It should give about 60 psi down to the farm that is behind the camera in front of me. So the way that this is working is we've got an inlet right here, so the water flows from here up and in, and then in that inlet we've got a float valve. So there's a valve at the bottom and there's a float tied to a string, and as that string gets up and the float get up to about here, that'll pull the valve right there at the bottom and stop the water from coming in. So that means that this tank will never overflow, but it will always be filled up to the top as long as the pumps are working at the bottom. And then we've got this outlet right here, comes around and then down, and that's what goes back down to the farm and provides water to the entire farm system. So the garden, the various animals, the barn, and even the house if needed. So this system will feed the entire farm on a consistent, ongoing basis with really nice, consistent water pressure because it's coming from a tank and because we've got nice big pipes here to accommodate for the appropriate flow. But it will also provide backup water when power is out or when one of the pumps breaks. It gives a whole bunch of redundancy. So you have 2,500 gallons of water here stored at the top of the hill. So if any of the pumps break, power goes out, anything else happens, there's a redundant water supply ready for the entire farm, and then we can fix the issue before they run out of water.